In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Coinbase Wallet. Full beginner tutorial for iPhone plus crypto safety tips. This walkthrough is perfect if you're new to self-custody. Coinbase Wallet is a separate personal wallet where you control your crypto and your keys, so keep an eye out for the safety tips I'll mention along the way. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your iPhone. On the home screen, choose the option to create a new wallet. You'll be asked for a username. This is generally public and helps others identify you, so pick something you're comfortable sharing and avoid personal information. Next, you'll see a checkbox to confirm you understand the setup details. Read what's on screen, check the box, and submit to continue. You'll now see an eye icon that lets you reveal your secret recovery phrase. Tap that icon to view it. This phrase is the single most important part of your wallet. Anyone who has it can control your funds, and no one can recover it for you if it's lost. Make sure to copy it and save it securely. Choose the option to back up manually, then paste it into a secure place you control, such as an encrypted, reputable password manager, or write it down and store it offline in a safe location. Avoid screenshots, cloud notes, or messages since those can be exposed if your device or accounts are compromised. The app will ask you to verify that you saved your phrase by tapping the first and last words. This quick check makes sure you captured it correctly. Once verified, tap Continue. You may be asked to agree to the terms and privacy policy, review them, check the box, and proceed. Now choose how you want to protect access on this device. You can use Face ID for convenience, or create a strong password if you prefer. If you're using Face ID, tap OK when prompted to allow it. You'll also see an option to turn on notifications. Enabling alerts can help you spot activity and approve requests more quickly, so go ahead and turn them on if that's useful to you. If there's an additional consent screen, check the box and accept. Wrap up by tapping Done, and then tap Got It on any final tips or pop-ups the app shows. That's it. You're done. Before you go, remember a few essentials. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Beware of links and DMs asking you to verify it. And consider starting with a small test transaction whenever you receive crypto for the first time. Also, Coinbase Wallet is separate from the Coinbase Exchange app, so transfers between them require sending to your wallet address and may involve network fees. Stay safe and enjoy exploring your new wallet.